Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the Necros DOS virus. This virus activates on the 21st of November and displays a birthday message. And I just can't think of why that would be relevant today. Anyway, when we run Necros, we will see nothing happen. However, this is one of my favorite examples of a .com file infector. If we take a look at our old friend, Graphics.com, it is, as always, 19,742 bytes. However, when we run it, Necros will infect it, and the size increases to 20,906 bytes. So now every time you run graphics, you will also be running Necros. Now, Necros also infects exe files, but in an unusual way. If we take a look at power.exe, we see its size is 8,052 bytes. When we run it, Necros will infect it. However, unlike the COM file, the size does not increase. That's because, unlike COM files, Necros does not directly infect executables. It creates a hidden file. When we do a directory listing, we only see power.exe, the one we just ran, and appears to be completely clean and not infected. However, if we do a directory listing with some switches to reveal the hidden files in this drive, we can see power.com. Now the reason this works is because DOS allows you to type the name of a file without specifying the executable extension. So on an uninfected PC, if I were to type power and hit enter, it would run power.exe. However, if there is an exe and a .com file with the same name, DOS prioritizes the COM file and runs that first, meaning that Necros would be run, and then it would run power.exe. So this type of exe infector is called a companion infector, and it's not really seen a lot, so it's something I like to get demonstrated in videos. Now let's get right to the payload. Necros activates on November 21st. And we're just going to go ahead and restart so you can hear that seek test. As beautiful as always. Alright, we're back in DOS. Let's run infectedgraphics.com and just run power without specifying the extension, meaning power.com gets run and then power.exe. And since the date is set, all we have to do now is wait. Uh-oh. What's happening? Oh no, it's getting faster. Oh, good. The computer didn't blow up. It's just saying happy birthday to Necros. So on the 21st of November of any year, whenever you run an infected file and wait for a while, you will see the message virus version 2.0, copyright 1991, Necros the Hacker, written on 29th and 30th of June in Ireland. Happy birthday, Necros. And if you wait for a while, this will repeat itself and eventually you'll have a screen full of happy birthday Necros. But if you don't feel like waiting, you hit enter and you're already ready to go. It's not destructive or damaging. It just disrupts your work for a little bit so it can say happy birthday Necros. And I don't know why a happy birthday video would be relevant today. It just escapes me as to why I would make this and release it today. Strange. Anyway, that is about it for the Necros DOS virus. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.